Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter cucumber salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 medium cucumbers, about 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. This unique combination creates a surprisingly delicious and easy-to-make salad that's perfect for a light meal or side dish. Now let's get those cucumbers ready. Start by thoroughly washing 2 medium cucumbers. You can peel them if you prefer, but leaving the skin on adds a nice texture and extra nutrients. Next, thinly slice the cucumbers. A mandolin slicer works wonderfully for consistent, almost paper-thin slices, around 1/8 of an inch thick. If you don't have one, a sharp knife will do the trick. Finally, gently pat the slices dry with a paper towel to ensure your dressing adheres well. The heart of this salad is its flavorful dressing. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Whisk these ingredients together until they are smooth and fully incorporated. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and a pinch of red pepper flakes. If you like more heat, feel free to add a bit more. Mix everything thoroughly until you have a rich, pourable dressing. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. In a medium bowl, gently add your prepared cucumber slices. Pour the delicious peanut butter dressing over the cucumbers. Using a spatula or your hands, carefully toss the cucumbers until each slice is evenly coated with the dressing. For an extra crunch and fresh flavor, garnish with some chopped roasted peanuts or a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Serve immediately and enjoy this unique and refreshing salad. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.